Now, yesterday we discussed few concepts regarding transpose of a matrix. Alva. So transpose of a matrix is nothing but changing rows into columns or columns into rows. That is called as what? Transpose of a matrix. Now, after completing that, ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 90% of this chapter is done. 90% of this chapter is done. ಆಯ್ತಾ? I'm talking only with respect to PU board. Done? So next, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಟಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಎನಫ್. Now, so quickly get into the first problem of today. That is, if matrix A alpha is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha, and matrix A beta is equal to cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos beta, then prove that A alpha into A beta is equal to A of alpha plus beta. So simple ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, multiply A alpha and A beta. Done? So we'll start multiplying now. That is, ನೀವು ರಫ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ multiply with me so that you will learn. A alpha into A beta is equal to, first write A alpha matrix, that is cos alpha, sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha into your cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos beta. Done? Now we'll go for first row, first column. Done? So multiply now. Cos alpha into cos beta, you'll just write it as what? Cos alpha into cos beta. Nothing else can be done here. Plus sin alpha, so cos beta, plus into minus, minus sin alpha, sin beta. Sin alpha, sin beta. Done? So then multiply first row, second column. Cos alpha, sin beta. Then plus, both are plus only, so plus sin alpha, cos. Go for second row, first column. Cos alpha, cos beta. Sorry, sin alpha, cos beta. Then plus into minus, minus cos alpha, sin beta. Then second row, second column. Sin alpha, sin beta. Sin alpha, sin beta. Then both are plus, so it is plus cos alpha, cos beta. See, you will come here, you will stop. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಸರಿನಾ? ಇದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ಲೇಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. ಅದೇ ತರ cos of A plus B can be written as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Minus becomes plus. What you can do is, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು A4 ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸರಿನಾ, A4 ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ write all the formulas which you are learning in second PUC. Then maybe first PUC formulas, whichever is required. So that what happens, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ you will be having all the formulas at one place. ಈ 4 formulas most important. We will be using these formulas in our future lecture also. Maybe integration, differentiation, inverse trigonometric functions. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನ ಹುಡ್ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ in a sheet, write it and keep it aside until that sheet is completed. Done. So ivaga by using these formulas, we can go ahead and simplify. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta can be written as cos of alpha plus beta. That is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B can be written as cos of A plus B. By using the same formula, we can say that cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta as cos of alpha plus beta. Then ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos A sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta. Which formula is this? This is nothing but sin of alpha plus beta. Because what is sin of alpha plus beta? Sin alpha cos beta. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. It's ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ interchange ಆಗಿದೆ, but the formula is same. Then coming to here, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So which is nothing but minus sin of alpha plus beta. Reason I'll let you know. Here, sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta. Observe here, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is cos of alpha plus beta. Sorry, alpha minus beta. Done. So this you can write it as cos of alpha minus beta. Or I can rewrite this as cos of alpha plus beta, then sin of alpha plus beta, no issue with this. Next here, minus sin of anyways alpha plus beta, but here I have sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta. I will interchange this to minus of cos of alpha plus beta. Why so? The reason is I need to prove when I multiply a alpha into a beta, I should get a of alpha plus beta. A of alpha plus beta andre illi ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ a matrix ಬಿಡಿ, a ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos, you should have alpha plus beta, sin alpha plus beta, again sin alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta. So adrinda we should have alpha plus beta itself here. ಆ reasonಗೆ this alpha minus beta, when you take minus as common, whether here or here, you'll get alpha plus beta. You can simply write it as, therefore you can write a alpha into a beta is nothing but a times alpha plus beta. See, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ these questions were gathered, taken from different sources, maybe ಬೇಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಸ್ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಮೇ ಬಿ NCERT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋ ವಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದೆಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ learn the formulas from the chapter 1. Therefore you don't feel any difficulty in future chapters when I'm dealing with differentiation or integration. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ತರ ಹೋಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್, ಏನೋ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ very easy compared to all other subjects. Done. So next question, it's a similar question. The question says, if a alpha is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, prove that, what you are supposed to prove? Supposed to prove that a alpha into a alpha transpose, so you know the transpose, right, equal to I andre ಏನು, identity matrix. Done. So ಈಗ first we'll take a alpha into a alpha the transpose is equal to what now? What is a alpha now? Cos alpha into sin alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. ಇದು a alpha ಆಯಿತು. Now take the transpose. Transpose for this matrix ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾಗ cos alpha sin alpha. I'm changing rows into columns. Then minus sin alpha cos alpha. Right? ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should get identity matrix of order 2. So we'll continue with our rules. First row, first column. Right? So first row, first column, multiply at least cos alpha. Nodi, cos alpha into cos alpha you'll get cos square alpha. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ತರ sin alpha into sin alpha you'll get plus sin square alpha. Next, first row, second column, plus into minus, minus you'll get cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha. Again plus into plus, plus only, then cos alpha sin alpha. Maybe sin alpha cos alpha, doesn't matter. Next, second row, first column, minus sin alpha cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha, then plus sin alpha cos alpha, alpha cos alpha. Second row, second column, minus into minus, plus sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha, then cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is how much? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to how much? 1. So therefore we can replace this as what now? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha as 1. You see, plus cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha will get cancelled, therefore we'll get 0. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha will get cancelled, will get 0. Then again sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. This is nothing but what? Identity matrix. So what is an identity matrix? An identity matrix is something in which the principal diagonal elements value is exactly 1 and all other elements are 0. Right? We discussed under types of matrices. This is identity matrix. Simple multiplication itself, but ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ instead of giving some numbers, they are dealing with trigonometric functions. Just go through the problem once. Anywhere you feel difficult or anywhere you have not understood, please let me know, I'll explain. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು CET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. If a alpha is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha and a alpha plus a alpha transpose is equal to I, or condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ a alpha plus a alpha the whole transpose is equal to I, then the value of alpha is. Now what is given here? CET ನಲ್ಲಿ you are supposed to solve within 60 seconds, right? So given a alpha plus a alpha the whole transpose equal to I ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Identity matrix. What is a alpha here? Cos alpha minus sin alpha, again sin alpha cos alpha plus ಇದರದು transpose, the transpose of this one ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? cos alpha sin alpha, then minus sin alpha cos alpha should be equal to ಏನಂತೆ? Identity matrix. So identity matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 1 0 0 1. This is of order 2. Order 3 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Done. Now we need to find the value of alpha. This is a CET question. So add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So add position to position. Cos alpha plus cos alpha equal to how much now? 1. So cos alpha plus cos alpha equal to 1. Either you can take this also, doesn't matter. Minus sine alpha plus sine alpha equal to 0 anta. Really? I'm just taking for the values. Sarina. So cos alpha plus cos alpha is nothing but 2 cos alpha. 1 cos alpha plus 1 cos alpha will give you 2 cos alpha is equal to how much? 1. So 2 na akade kalsi, multiplication becomes division. Cos alpha is equal to half. So we need the value for alpha. Therefore alpha is equal to, so whenever a trigonometric function, whenever you're sending from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, it becomes inverse. We'll talk about it when we talk about inverse trigonometric functions. Done. Therefore alpha is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. Anyways, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು cos inverse of 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? when alpha is 60 degree. Correct alva? Sin 30 degree is half and cos 60 degree is half. Therefore alpha is 60 degree. If you don't know the values, at least 10th standard book or first PUC book ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ some standard values, trigonometric standard values. I'll teach you when I come to ITV, that is sorry ITF, inverse trigonometric functions. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ this is just a memory based, like previous classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಓದಿದೀರಾ ಅದು ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. This is purely based on CT question. So simple question, hope you understood. So if A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, then prove that A square is equal to cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. And the second one, A into A transpose equal to I. So anyways, first we'll start from the first question. First question ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? A square ಅಲ್ವಾ? So what is A square? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, that is nothing but A into A. Now what is A into A? A is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Multiply this with the same, that is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Just go ahead and multiply, then we'll see, though that is first row first column. So when you multiply, you'll get cos theta into cos theta, you'll get cos square theta minus into plus minus, that is sin square theta, cosine theta into sin theta sin square theta. Then first row second column, cos theta into sin theta, that is minus, because plus into minus minus, cos theta sin theta, ಆಮೇಲೆ minus again sin theta cos theta cos theta. Done. Next second row first column, sin theta into cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta, again sin theta into cos theta. Then second row second column, plus into minus minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ without any doubt, ಸರಿನಾ? So here I'll give you ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ angles. If you remember, sin 2 theta can be written as what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Half angle ಅಥವಾ multiple angle formulas ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta, one thing. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ತರ cos 2 theta can be written in different forms, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So cos 2 theta can be written as, first is cos square theta minus sin square theta, first form, cos square theta minus sin square theta, or else you can write it as 2 cos square theta minus 1, or even you can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So there are different forms where you can write your cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta can be written as cos square theta minus sin theta or 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. ಇವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು 2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. You write it in a different sheet and keep it aside, and whenever it is possible just glance them. That will help you a lot, trust me. Next, ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು based on the formulas you just observe. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written as what? Cos 2 theta, right? ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮೇ ತಾನೆ. ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಇದೆ? 2 ಸಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus 1 times you'll get minus 2 times. Here sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, you'll get 2 times sin theta cos theta. Again here cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written as cos 2 theta. So go ahead and simplify further. You'll get cos 2 theta. Nodi, forget about the sign, minus bit pudi. 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but what? 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ತರ 2 sin theta cos theta, maybe minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. You'll get sin 2 theta and cos 2. We got our answer or not? Just check it out. What are you supposed to prove? A square is equal to cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta and sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲಿ 6 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC. 4 formulas when I was talking about the first problem and 2 formulas now. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, it will pay you very good reward when we solve ಅಥವಾ when we get into some other chapters. So the question says that A into A transpose is equal to I. So A into A transpose. Then now what is A matrix? Cos theta minus sin theta cos theta cos theta minus sin theta and sin theta cos theta. So this is your A matrix. ಇದನ್ನ ಇದರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So what is its transpose now? Its transpose is cos theta minus sin theta and sin theta cos theta. Now multiply. So what we are going to get? Cos theta into cos theta will get cos square theta, then minus into minus plus sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. So first row first column ಆಯ್ತು, then go for first row second column. Cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta, then minus into plus minus, then again write it as cos theta sin theta. Sin theta cos theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but for cancel ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ I'll write it as cos theta sin theta. Next second row first column, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, then minus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. Then second row second column, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So hope we have solved this type of problem earlier. Now we use some formulas. That is, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta will give us what? 1. ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we can say cos square theta plus sin square theta as what? 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus minus get cancel 0. Again illu plus minus get cancel, you'll get 0. Sine square theta plus cos square theta again has what? 1. And this is nothing but your identity matrix. So this we have solved similar to this. See, ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ examination point of view important ಅಲ್ಲ from PU board, but I'm just doing. Next, if f of x is equal to, if you wish you can have a look at once here, no doubts will move ahead. Now, if f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, prove that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. ನೋಡಿ, we have done this type of problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೀಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. when you multiply these two, you should prove that a of alpha plus beta. but ಇದು 2 cross 2 ಆಯ್ತು. so this is of order 2 cross 2. but ಈ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ this is of order 3 cross 3. first thing. second thing ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, instead of giving alpha beta, they have taken as what? x and y. ಅಷ್ಟೇ difference. remaining entire procedure is same. so let's get started. now, f of x into f of y. so f of x into f of y. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? same thing given cos x minus sin x 0, then sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. then what about f of y? replace x with y. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. this is function containing x as variable. this is a function containing y as what? variable. so cos y minus sin y 0. wherever x is there, I'm replacing with y. then sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. then let's go ahead and simplify now. first row, first column. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? multiply cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y. ಆಮೇಲೆ minus into plus is minus sin x into sin y. 0 into 0 is 0. done. then first row, second column. first row, second column is cos x. first row, second column maybe minus cos x sin y. then minus sin x cos y. 0 into 0 is 0. so first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. you see here 0, cos x into 0 is 0, sin x into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. you simply write it as 0 plus 0 plus 0. then second row, first column, you'll get sin x sin y. I'm sorry, sin x cos y, then plus cos x sin y, cos x sin y plus 0, because anything multiplied with 0 is what? 0. then second row, second column, minus sin x sin y, then cos x cos y, then 0 into 0 is 0. then second row, third column. see, sin x into 0 is 0, cos x into 0 is 0, and 0 into 1 is 0. next, third row, first column, multiply with 0 into 0 is 0 itself. then 0 into sin y is 0, then 1 into 0 is 0. Then third row, second column, 0, 0 into sin y 0, 0 into cos y is 0, then 1 into 0 is 0 itself again. Then third row, third column, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1. You can simplify this by using the formulas which I had given earlier. Andre, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is of the form cos of x plus y. Minus idre plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus idre minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos of x plus y. So look at this. This is of the form. ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, only first sin x cos y, cos x sin y. This is of the form sin of x plus y. This is ಆಯ್ತಾ. And ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 0 minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y. That you can take it as ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಚೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಮನ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು cos x sin y minus becomes plus, here you'll get sin x cos y. Here you have only zeros, 0. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. I'll just rewrite it. cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ಇದು 0 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0 ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ, 0 0 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Just write it like this. Then going ahead and simplify, cos of x plus y, then ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು cos x sin y sin x cos y. This is of the form like sin a cos beta plus sin a cos b cos a sin b andre minus sin of x plus y. So you have to go through those formulas once. 0, this is same as what, sin of x plus y. Then you see cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is of the form cos of x plus y. Then 1, sorry 0. Then finally you have 0 0 1. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, therefore you can write a, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ, f of x ಅಲ್ವಾ. therefore f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. You can see here cos function same ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ, x plus y x plus y x plus y x plus y. See, cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. This 0 0 1 0 0 1 remaining same, but ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, cos x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ x plus y ಆಯಿತು, minus sin x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ x plus y ಆಯಿತು, sin of x plus y cos of x plus y, which means when you multiply f of x into f of y, we will get f of x plus y. ಇದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 marks question, but ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. Then practice. So these are the some questions which are based on trigonometric functions involving matrices. A into A transpose equal to identity. ಇದು 2 cross 2 ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So now I'm doing for 3 cross 3. ಅಷ್ಟೇ difference ಆಯ್ತಾ. So now what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to prove that A into A transpose equal to I. Done. What is A? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೇನೆ, cos theta into sin theta 0, then minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. What will be its transpose now? That is cos theta sin theta 0. I'm just writing the row into column. Then minus sin theta cos theta 0 then 0, 0, 1. Done. Now start multiplying. You will get first row, first column. First row, first column. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, plus 0 into 0, 0. Done. Next. First row, second column. Minus ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೊದಲೇನೆ cos theta, sin theta, then plus cos theta into sin theta, then 0 into 0 is 0, plus 0. Then again here, first row, third column, cos theta into 0, sin theta into 0, 0 into 0, everything is 0 here. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next, second row, first column, minus ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ because minus ಇದೆ, minus sin theta cos theta, then plus cos theta sin theta or sin theta cos theta, then 0 into 0, 0. Then second row, second column, minus into minus plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, plus 0 into 0 is 0. Done. Next second row, third column, sin theta into 0 is 0, cos theta into 0 is 0, then 0 into 1 is 0 again. Then finally, third row, first column, 0 into cos theta, 0, 0 into sin theta, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Then third row, second column, 0 into minus sin theta, 0, 0 into cos theta, 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Then 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Now, go ahead and simplify. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 plus 0. Then minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta get cancelled. You will get 0 plus 0 now. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು 0 ಇದೆ. Then minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta get cancelled. You will get 0 plus 0. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 0. Then anyways here it is 0. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0, 1. Now finally you can write it as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you see all the principal diagonal elements are exactly 1, which means it is an identity matrix. Just a revision ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ diagonal matrix 1 ಇರುತ್ತೋ we call it as identity matrix. 1 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ, for example -2, 0, 0, 0, -2, 0, 0, 0, -2, it is your scalar matrix other than 1 but the values are same. That is your scalar matrix. If the values are different but all other elements are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. Aita? So these are the some questions in which some trigonometric functions are involved in matrices. Aita? Idadmele, I'll give you a break in a minute. We'll discuss most important 5 mark question in ಎರಡಿದೆ. We already discussed ಆಯ್ತಾ 5 marks important questions. I already told you ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥ್ರೂ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅದರಿಂದಾನೇ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು maybe you take a break. We will meet at 6:35. So we'll discuss few more questions. So if a is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. This is most important 5 marks question. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದು ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯೂಶಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ matrices. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ a square minus 5a, so a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕಂತ 0. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ a square. So what is a square now? A square is maybe a into a, that is nothing but it is a 3 1 minus 1 2, then again multiply with a 3 1 minus 1 2. So start multiplying. First row, first column, 3 3s are 9, plus into minus minus, 1 1s are 1. First row, second column, 3 1s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Then 3 1s are 3, that is minus 3, plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2. Then plus into minus minus, 1 1s are 1, plus 2 2s are 4. So you will get a square as how much now? 8 5 minus 5. A square prepare admele, therefore we should prove that, or we should show that a square minus 5 times a plus 7 times I should be equal to 0. Now what is a square? We found out already. 8 5 minus 5 3. Then minus 5 times a. So 5 times a antandre, 5 times a antandre, multiply a matrix with 5. So you can directly multiply and keep 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, minus 5 and 5 2s are 10, plus 7 times I. So 7 times I andreno identity matrix 1 0 0 1 of order 2. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3ನೇ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ರೇರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೇರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 2 is most prominent. Look here, 8 minus 15 is how much? Minus 7. I'm just simplifying these two first. Then 5 minus 5 0, minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 0. Then 3 minus 10 is minus 7, plus multiply 7 1s are 7 0 0 7. Now add this, ultimately what you're going to get, minus 7 plus 7 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, again 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 7 plus 7 is. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ given a matrix A, you're supposed to prove that a square minus 5 times a plus 7 times I equal to 0. So simple question, correct alva? A square ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. 5 times a means you have to substitute the values in this particular given condition and you have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. This is simple question because order 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ 99% ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 2ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 3 ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ರೇರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೇರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ obviously the question is lengthy here. If a is equal to 102 021 203, show that a cube minus 6 times a square plus 7 times a plus 2 times I equal to 0. So 102 021 203. So let's get started. First a cube ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What is a cube? A cube can be written as a square into a, which implies what now? First we'll find out a square. So what is a square now? A into a, alva? So what is a matrix now? 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Again multiply the same matrix with what? 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Now start multiplying. First row, first column, Now we will get ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 ones are 1, 0 into 0 0, 2 twos are 4. Then first row second column 1 into 0 0, then 0 into 2 again 0, correct alva? 1 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 2 into 0 again 0. Then first row third column 1 into 2 2, plus 0 into 1 0, 2 threes are 6. Then 0 into 1, second row first column 0 into 1 0, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 2 2. Then second row second column 0 into 0 0, plus 2 twos are 4, 1 into 0 0. Then second row third column 0 into 2 0, plus 2 ones are 2, plus 1 threes are 3. So third row first column 2 ones are 2, plus 0 into 0 0, plus 3 twos are 6. Third row second column 2 into 0 0, plus 0 into 2 0, 3 into 0 0. Then 2 twos are 4, plus 0 into 1 0, plus 3 threes are 9. So you'll get your a square as 1 plus 4 is 5, 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we need a cube alva. So what is a cube now? A cube is nothing but a square into a, right? So we already found out a square. What is a square? 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13 into a. What is a matrix? 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. So 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. So this is your a square into a. Again repeat, first row into first column. So in sigatiga you'll get 5 ones are 5, 0 into 0 0, plus 8 twos are 16. Then first row second column 5 into 0 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 8 into 0 is 0 again. Then first row third column 5 twos are 10, plus 0 into 1 is 0, plus 8 threes are 24. Next 2 ones are 2, plus 4 into 0 0, plus 5 twos are 10. Then again second row second column 2 into 0 is 0, plus 4 twos are 8, plus 5 into 0 is 0. Then second row third column 2 twos are 4, plus 4 ones are 4, plus 5 threes are 15. Then third row first column 8 ones are 8, plus 0 into 0 is 0, plus 13 twos are 26. Then you have third row second column 8 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 13 into 0 is 0. Then third row third column 8 twos are 16, plus 0 into 1 is 0, plus 13 threes are 39. Then simplify this, you will get 21 0, then 34 12 8, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 15, you'll get 23. Then 8 plus 26 is 34, 0, then 16 plus 39 is 55. Calculators irutte, just use your calculators. Iga a cube ready aaytu. Now we'll go for the condition. So we'll go for the condition. What is the condition? we should prove that, to prove that ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, a cube minus 6 times a square plus 7 times a plus 2 times I should be equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ a ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ, 21 0 34 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, how much we got a cube as 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 55 minus 6 times a square. a square ಕೂಡ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ತಾನೆ, a square ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. this is your a square 508. so 508 ಆಮೇಲೆ 245 80 ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 13. then 7 times a plus 7 times a. so what is a matrix? so 102 021 and 203. this is your a matrix. plus 2 times I. I ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 100 010 001. done. so first we'll simplify. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 55 minus multiply with 6 6 5s are 30 0 6 8s are 8 6 are 48. then 12 6 4s are 24 6 5s are 30 again. ಆಮೇಲೆ 8 6 are 48 0 13 6 are 78 plus ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, 7 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 7 1s are 7 0 7 2s are 14 0 7 2s are 14 7 7 2s are 14 0 7 3s are 21. finally 2 times I ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2 remaining 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. so use your calculators and simplify this. you should get 0. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದು ನೀವು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಟು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 21 minus 30 is minus 9 minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 is 0. ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. 21 minus 30 minus 9 0 minus 0 is 0. 34 minus 48 is minus 14. then 12 minus 12 0. 8 minus 24 minus 16. 23 minus 30 minus 7. 34 minus 48 is again minus 14. 0 minus 0 0. 55 minus 78 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 55 minus 78 will get minus 23. then plus ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 7 plus 2 9 0 plus 0 0 14 plus 0 14. then again 0 plus 0 0 14 plus 2 is 16. 7 plus 0 is 7. then 14 as it is 0 23. then hope you can see here, minus 9 plus 9 is 0 0. minus 14 plus 14 is 0 0. plus 16 minus 16 is 0. minus 7 plus 7 is 0. minus 14 plus 14 is again 0 0. minus 23 plus 23 is 0. so you can just write it as what, 0. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಈ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಡನ್, ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇನ್ ಯಾವುದು 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ. Monday most of the questions will be of 2 marks ಅಥವಾ 1 mark in nature ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That completes this chapter ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 26 ವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಅಪ್ ಟು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 26. So all these problems are taken from the classwork itself. So you can complete up to page number 26 remaining once I complete on Monday. Monday or Tuesday ಈ chapter ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ will go for physics. So if you have any doubts with respect to whatever we have discussed today or earlier also, you can ask, I'll clarify. But remember, matrices ಬರಬೇಕಾ, addition, multiplication and subtraction. ಇದು ಮೂರು ಬಂತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಂಗೇನೆ. ಇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅದರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ.